Hello friends, welcome to Infinky Infopedia, and today we are talking about Apple's iPhone 16. Surprisingly, Apple's iPhone 16 launch is just under 5 months away, and we are expecting a lot of major changes and upgrades this year. In this video, we'll cover 7 leak updates and features expected to elevate the iPhone as a significant upgrade, so let's get started. Number 1. There's a newly surfaced, apparent leaked iPhone 16 Pro Max logic board. It stands out distinctly from previous versions, suggesting a significant internal redesign. It seems like they're making space for a big redesign battery. The redesign could be due to the anticipated increase in size of the new iPhone 16 Pro Max, rumored to go from 6.7 inches to 6.9 inches. This would provide more space, potentially leading to a redesigned battery. Number 2. Which is a battery that was leaked with a brand new metal casing. This one was the iPhone 16 Pro battery, and it's completely redesigned, similar to the approach taken with the Apple Watch. This new metal casing switch resulted in improved battery life within the same size. With these new iPhones, there's a possibility of implementing a new stack cell battery technology. This could minimize swelling, enabling greater battery capacity without additional drawbacks. Number 3. We've received a significant leak regarding the iPhone 16 lineup's aluminum prototypes with cases attached. Surprisingly, both the Pro models and the standard 16s feature an additional cutout below the power button for a new button. This inclusion extends across the entire lineup, contrary to initial expectations. And we also see the confirmed design of the camera layout for the regular 16, going back to an iPhone X design, but using a glass multi-layered bump instead of the old metal ring. Number 4. Apple recently placed orders for new capacitive button components, with a new system and package module to integrate the button with two Taptic engines. This implies that the new button won't function as a traditional clickable button but will instead mimic a solid-state home button. It detects pressure and then vibrates to simulate a physical click. It will be fascinating to observe how Apple implements this feature. Moving on to number 5. We are aware that Apple is launching their new A18 and A18 Pro chips for the upcoming iPhone 16 lineup, each equipped with 8 gigs of RAM. Anticipations suggest they'll be entirely redesigned with larger dies, promising a significant performance boost compared to the A17 Pro. Number 6. We anticipate the upcoming iPhones to incorporate the latest M13 OLED display material, particularly for the 16 Pro models. Recent tests indicate improved efficiency in this new material. Take a look at the comparison chart. Samsung's Galaxy S24 models equipped with the M13 display consume notably less power, surpassing even the regular S23. This achievement is particularly noteworthy considering the exceptional brightness of the S24 Ultra. It is the material that we anticipate will feature in the iPhone 16 Pro models. Number 7. We've received confirmation that all models of the iPhone 16 will now include the Action button. The decision by Apple to equip every new iPhone 16 model with the Action button suggests they may be planning to introduce some innovative and distinct features for it. Hopefully, these enhancements will involve generative AI or the newly redesigned Siri, aiming to increase its utility and usefulness. And there you have it. Those were the latest updates, features, and changes for the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro models, set to launch in less than 5 months, so you don't have to wait that long. As we eagerly await the official unveiling, exciting upgrades are hinted at by rumors and leaks. To stay informed on all things tech, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.